velocity. Drift mobility. Mobility. It is defined as the ratio. It is defined as the ratio of drift velocity of electrons to the electric field applied across the conductor. It is defined as ratio of drift velocity of electron to the electric field applied across the conductor. Let Vd be drift velocity and E be electric field. Therefore, mobility denoted by mu is drift velocity upon E. What will be its SI unit? Can you tell? In rough, I am explaining. Drift velocity is meter per second. E is voltage upon meter. Meter goes up, so meter square voltage second. So its SI unit. Its SI unit is meter square volt second. So mobility, it is defined as ratio of drift velocity of electron to the electric field applied across conductor. Vd be the drift velocity, E be the electric field. Therefore, it is Vd upon E. Speed is meter per second. Unit of speed is meter per second. That of E is voltage per meter. Meter will go up, so meter square voltage second is SI unit. Any doubt? Hello? Any doubt in definition and unit?
Yes,
Copy it. Copy.
That's
Since drift velocity upon E is mobility, Drift velocity, is it E upon m into tau? Are you remembering this drift velocity?
Yes.
How to remember? It is actually acceleration into time. Acceleration is force upon mass, time is relaxation time upon E. So I can cancel. So E tau upon m is called drift velocity. Right. Hello, Jasmita.
Yes, sir.
See, unfortunately, yesterday recording that click I did, but somebody entered in between, that got cancelled. So wherever you have doubt, please ask me. I will explain you again afterwards.
Yes, sir. No problem.
Okay.
Dance.
Now I'm starting with 112 standard topic. Kirchhoff's law of electrical network. Kirchhoff's law of electrical network. What do you mean by electrical? Current should pass or current should not pass?
Should pass.
Current should pass. Yeah, network means closed circuit. Like we say cable network, friendship network, social network, means it should go from one place to another. That is called network. When we talk about electric, two things are fixed, na? Potential difference, current, and third comes resistance. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we have got two electrical network law as suggested by Kirchhoff. So first is called as Kirchhoff's current law, also called as junction law, also called as first law. So Kirchhoff's current law, junction law, first law, they are one and the same thing. हाँ मैंने वो कर दिया और आज थोड़ा पेपर अपन चेक कर लेंगे इवेंट लेक्चर के बाद में जैसे मैसेज होगा अपन स्टार्ट कर लेंगे हाँ वो तो ठीक है और पेपर पढ़ना है संडे और भी है ना आर तो सब होगा ना पहले पेपर चेक करने हैं अपने फ्राइडे जिसका तीन पेपर चेक करना है बता रहे कल भरत स्कैनर वाला रहता है एक लड़का केवल भरत और तरुण तो तीन पेपर आज करेक्ट करना जरूरी है वो तो 5 मिनट का काम है ज्यादा क्वेश्चन है नाइन्थ का 10th का 10th कल अपना 11th हुआ है 12th तो चल ही रहा है बराबर आईएससी का ही लगना है थोड़ा वो मैं सोच के बताता हूँ कल है ना अपने उस टाइम में कल सैटरडे है ना कल तो आज ही निपटा देंगे मोस्टली हाँ हेलो हेलो
Yes, sir.
See Kirchhoff's law of electrical network, Kirchhoff's current law or junction law or first law, all are one and the same. Current is a scalar quantity or vector quantity? Current is scalar or vector? Scalar. To add scalar quantity, we require algebraic sum or vector sum? Scalars are added algebraically, yes. So my start is like this. in an electrical network, the algebraic sum of electric current at any junction. In an electrical network, the algebraic sum of electric current at any junction is always zero. अभी आप सोचेंगे ऐसा क्यों कि जंक्शन पे करंट जीरो? जंक्शन means meeting point. Have you heard? It is sometimes called Kalyan Junction, Diva Junction. Junction means there are many paths going on this. That means we will be having Harbour train, Western Side train, and Central, all are connecting at one point. That's called junction. So if this is one meeting point of various resistance, then it is called junction. So current will come also, current will leave also. Current is flow of charge. Charge is not stopping anywhere. It will come, go, this way it will pass. So accumulation is not there. That's why we say in an electrical network, the algebraic sum of electric current at any junction is always zero. See, suppose I keep the window open, door open, तो हवा जाएगा आएगा जाएगा आएगा, रुकेगा क्या उधर? No. So same way current, it is flow of charge. Charge आएगा जाएगा आएगा जाएगा, लेकिन रुकेगा नहीं ना उधर. That's why we say the algebraic sum of electric current at any junction is always zero. This is called Kirchhoff's first law or junction law or current law, right? आर्यन उदाने?
Yes sir.
अच्छा, आज मैनेज हो गया आपका?
हाँ.
ठीक है.
टेस्ट जल्दी खत्म हो.
ओके. मंडे से अभी वेकेशन के बाद दोनों स्लॉट रखूंगा.
Yes sir.
ठीक. So Kirchhoff's current law, junction law, first law, in an electrical network, the algebraic sum of electric current at any junction is always zero. Write this definition properly. This is 12th standard topic we have started. Now all 12th I will do. Then once we have completed full 12th, then two parts of resistance I will do, color code method and heating effect.
Done, sir.
Can I clear now full Kirchhoff's current law apart? Yes, Mohit, written. Hello, Mohit, written Kirchhoff's current law. Others have done. Swaraj.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
अभी देखो टोटल अगर जीरो है मतलब मेरे पास सब माइनस 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 है क्या? नो, सब प्लस 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 है क्या? So कुछ some plus and some minus, then only answer can be zero, na?
Yes.
So there is some sign convention. First, all entering current means if current is entering the junction, ये junction current इधर आया, इसको बोलते हैं entering, इसको बोलते हैं leaving. So all entering currents are taken as positive currents. All entering currents are taken as positive current. All leaving currents are taken as negative currents. So all entering currents positive or leaving currents are taken as negative currents. Write this two sign convention. Sure. Can I clear this now? Hello?
Yes.
Can I clear? Now, explanation with diagram. What we exactly mean, entering is positive and leaving is negative. So if this is junction A, if resistance R1, resistance R2, R3, R4 are connected to A. This is I1, I2, I3, I4. So can I say by Kirchhoff's current law, at junction A, I1 is entering, so positive, plus I2 entering also positive, plus I3 leaving, so minus, plus I4 leaving minus, total is 0. Okay, followed Kirchhoff's current law. At junction A, I1 is entering, so plus, I2 entering, plus, I3 leaving, minus, I4 leaving, minus, total is 0. Okay, hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Please, explanation heading right, draw diagram, complete. Sometimes only one they will ask for 2 marks. State and explain Kirchhoff's current law. So this much you have to write. It is based on law of conservation of charge. It is based on law of conservation of charge.
Done, sir.
Kirchhoff's voltage law, also called as loop law or second law. So Kirchhoff's voltage law, Kirchhoff's loop law, or Kirchhoff's second law, all are one and the same. Now potential is scalar or vector? Potential.
Scalar.
Potential is also scalar. So its addition is algebraic or vector sum?
Algebraic.
Again algebraic sum. So see how we start. In an electrical network, the algebraic sum of potential drops across each resistances. If current is flowing through resistance, there will be voltage drop across resistance. So in an electrical network, algebraic sum of potential drops across each resistances and EMFs, मतलब battery का voltage and EMF, and enclosed in a closed circuit is always zero. That means Kirchhoff's voltage law is applied to closed circuit. Like if I start from A, go to B, go to C, come back to A, it is closed circuit. Na? So in closed circuit, if you start from B, A, मतलब voltage at A is VA, come back, तो फिर से VA, difference क्या होगा? Zero ना? So that's why in an electrical network, algebraic sum of potential drops across each resistances and EMFs enclosed in a closed circuit is always zero. Got it? Better?
Done, sir.
Okay. Now again my wisdom says if total is zero, then all are not plus plus plus, all are not minus minus minus, something plus something minus. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for that we have some convention. Sign convention. Can you tell me current will flow from where to where? In this circuit, current will flow from where to where?
A to B. A to
No guarantee. High to low. है ना? we have not told what is voltage of A. अगर ये 10 है, ये 20 है, तो किधर से किधर जाएगा बोलो आप? B to A ना?
B2 है
B2 है।
हाँ.
और
So you
इधर
cannot say A to B. I have to tell the value of voltage. So if this is 20, this is 10, then current flows from 20 to 10.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So if current is flowing like this, who is higher voltage? Tell me, A or B?
A.
A, definitely. तो ये 10 और ये suppose 3, तो difference कितना हो गया?
7.
7 इसने खा लिया ना, फिर रेजिस्टेंस ने IR वोल्टेज होता है ना. So can I say 10? फिर इसमें -7, फिर बच गया 3. Correct or not?
Yes, 7.
Okay. So that means when I'm transversing the loop or going through that wire from high to low, I'm losing the voltages. Correct?
Yes.
When I go ulta, 3 to 7, then 3 to 10. So 3, I add 7 and become 10, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So can I say in the direction of current, potential drop is negative, matlab loss. If you are going ulta, then there is gain. Correct or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So first point, can I say if we travel in the direction of current, if we travel in the direction of current, then potential drop is taken as negative. Potential drop is taken as negative. Second, if we travel opposite to the direction of current, then potential drop is taken as positive. Any doubt in this two convention? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So why negative? Because we are going high to low. Why positive? Because we are coming from low to high. Just copy this, two more convention, then with diagram we'll see. This electrostatic and current is done, then everything is very simple in the syllabus. So till today you all are doing perfectly fine. I am worried अगर एक वीक का गैप दिया तो ऐसा तो नहीं आप लोग भूल जाएंगे सब. यस करण, भूल तो नहीं जाएंगे ना? करण बोरा?
नो सर.
पक्का? नहीं तो कैंसिल कर देता हूँ, फिर डेली रख देता हूँ लेक्चर. करण गोयल?
Yes sir.
Will you forget if there is given vacation?
No sir.
No, you will get charged and come with more energy. Yes, Arya, Pranjali, Isha, Neha, vacation you want or you don't want?
Want.
Want? Okay. Then take. All of you take and enjoy. पर घर में ही रहना, बाहर जाएंगे तो 5-6 मास्क लगा लेना, नहीं तो पीपी किट खरीद लो एक. Anybody is going out of Mumbai or out of their place?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, plan
No,
cancel हो
sir.
गया. अरे जाके आओ, सब जगह खाली रहेगा ये. जाना बता कथन किधर, नहीं तो आप
Yes,
बोले
sir.
सर ने बोला जाके आओ, तो don't go anywhere, it is still risky.
Yes, sir.
Be at home, just measure length, breadth, height of your house and calculate volume.
Okay, sir.
आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते ना.
Done, sir.
So two convention you got idea, in the direction of current negative, ulta then positive. Do you know meaning of this symbol? What is this? क्या है ये?
Resistance.
करेक्ट, रजिस्टर है ये, ठीक है. और ये क्या है फिर? इसको थर्मिस्टर बोलते हैं। क्या ये थर्मिस्टर मतलब टेम्परेचर डिपेंड होने वाला रेजिस्टर। ये क्या है ये? व्हाट इज दिस?
Capacitor.
Pardon?
Capacitor.
Yes, capacitor or condenser, correct. Then what about this?
Three.
Battery.
Battery, correct. Battery. Longer is positive terminal and shorter is negative terminal. If I move like this, I am going from where to where? High to low or low to high? एकदम सिंपल है ना, हाई टू लो, क्या सोचने का इसमें? हाई टू लो ना.
Yes.
So when you travel from positive terminal to negative terminal of battery, that means high to low, then EMF will take negative. But if I travel from negative to positive, low to high, then positive, correct? So four convention we got: in the direction, negative; ulta of current, positive. Third, if we travel from positive to negative terminal of battery, then EMF is taken as negative. High to low, negative. If we travel from negative to positive terminal of battery, then EMF is taken as positive. Please write down. Right, this 4 point. Completed?
None,
10th.
sir.
Okay. Now drawing one diagram to use all this convention so that you understand Kirchhoff's voltage law. Now this is very important because if numerical comes on voltage law, you have to draw the diagram and check the direction. This is R1, R2 internal resistance of battery, E1, E2 are EMF of battery plus minus. Together they are supplying current to external resistance R. So this I can call one junction A. This is suppose point B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Current will start from positive terminal. First battery का current I1, second battery I2. At point A, I1, I2 will shake hand. They will add. Entering ना add. फिर इधर से निकल जाएगा. This will be I1 plus I2. This will come through the resistance. And at D, I1 अपना रास्ते पे जाएगा, I2 अपने रास्ते पे जाएगा. Distribution of current clear? Yes, distribution
Yes,
of. Now, can you tell me how many closed circuit you can see? खाली इतने बोलो, एक है क्या, दो है क्या, तीन है क्या, चार है. Look properly and tell how many closed circuit. Yes, how many closed circuit you can see? How many?
3.
3. Okay. Anybody else saw 3? Or only 2? Yes, say fast. Yes, Nandini, how many loop you can see?
so 2.
2. Okay. Avan, how many?
2.
2. 2 you said? 2?
Yes.
Okay. Nija?
2.
2. Okay. Pranjali? Neha? Isha? Arya? How many?
2 only. 2.
2. Okay. Anay? How many?
So 2.
2. Aditya Pillai?
Sir, 2.
Both Aryans?
Sir, 2.
2. Open your third eye. You can see 3. Isn't it? Three we can see, no? 3. I'm telling names. See which 3. A, B, C, D, E, F, A. Is it 1? Started from 1, ended at 1. Second, A, B, C, D, H, G, A. Second or not? A to A. Third one, A, G, H, D, E, F, A. Total 3 we have or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Draw the diagram. Then I will apply Kirchhoff's voltage law to this 3 loop with the proper convention so that you completely understand this. From our notes wala sheet, have you completed 1 to 40 MCQ of electrostatics?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I have told till today, I think 1 to 80. Na?
Yes, sir.
So just complete it. Tomorrow I will keep doubt solving evening 10 o'clock.
Done, sir.
ओके, एक एक करके एक एक लूप देखते हैं एंड अप्लाई किरचॉफ्स वोल्टेज लॉ बाय प्रॉपर साइन कन्वेंशन. Total we got 3 loop and you also understood that 3 loops are there. Applying Kirchhoff's voltage law to the loop A, B, C, D, E, F, A, we get. Now can you tell me A to B, is there any potential drop? A to B? A to B, any drop is there? Drop मतलब I into R है?
No, sir.
No.
No, because इधर वायर रेजिस्टेंस ही नहीं है. B to C, current is I1 plus I2. Resistance is R. So potential drop is current into R. Plus or minus now. We are going in the direction of current. Current C is traveling अपने साथ में है current. So we are going from high to low, negative, not followed.
Yes, sir.
Followed.
C to D, no resistance, so no drop. D to E, no resistance, no drop. E to F, current is I1, resistance is R1. We are going in the direction of current, minus. Yes. Now while traveling here, E to F, negative terminal to positive terminal, matlab plus E1 or not, and total is 0. Followed convention?
Yes.
Negative terminal to positive terminal, low to high, plus. Understood?
Yes.
Please write down.
Sir, could you explain again? Actually, I got disconnected.
Be connected every time, Jismeet. See, A to B. See, this loop I have taken first, A, B, C, D, E, F, A. So you have to follow same, don't change. A to B, anything is there, any resistance is there, A to B?
No.
No, so there won't be any potential drop, because for drop we require IR. B to C, current is there, B to C?
Yes.
Yes, resistance is also there.
Yes.
So there will be voltage drop,
Yes.
which is I into R. So I wrote current into this.
Yes.
We are traveling in the direction, so minus by convention. Clear?
Yes.
Now C to D, any resistance?
No.
No. D to E? No.
No.
E to F? Yes. Current is I1,
Yes.
resistance R1, so I1 R1. We are in the direction,
Yes.
so minus. Now battery, minus to plus, plus, खत्म. नहीं समझा?
Plus.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Now for second loop, we will think convention and proper potential drop. Again, A to B, any drop? A to B?
No, sir.
No. B to C?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is that? Same, na? I1 plus I2 into R. Avan, any doubt?
No, sir.
C2D nothing. D2H nothing. H2G minus I2R2 and battery minus 2 plus equal to 0. I think everybody should have followed.
Yes.
Yes, Aditya, both Aryans, have you followed?
Yes.
Both Karan?
Yes.
Nay, everybody has followed. Okay, okay,
Yes.
right on. Swaraj, Rajwardhan? Yes, Swaraj,
Yes,
Rajwardhan? Yes,
Yes,
please.
sir.
Yes. Sandesh? Aryan? Bhagwet?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, please do. अभी एक लूप और बच गया है. Copy till this, then third loop will check.
Done, sir.
Oh, third loop by mistake. Again, we'll bring it back. Applying Kirchhoff's voltage law to the loop AG HD EFA. Kirchhoff's voltage law to the loop A G HD EFA we get. What is AG ka drop? Any drop?
No, sir.
No. I'm just taking first resistance and current. अब बाद में battery check करता हूँ. G2H. Current is ulta traveling, no? We are going G2H. Current is coming H2G. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
sir.
So plus I2R2. This who has not followed. Why I wrote plus? Everybody followed why I wrote plus?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
D2E?
No, sir.
No. E2F? Yes. Plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus.
माइनस I1 R1 खत्म. अभी बैटरी चेक कर लेते हैं. अभी A2G
No.
नो. पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव माइनस E2.
Minus.
हाँ. देन D2E E2F माइनस 2 प्लस
Positive.
पॉजिटिव इक्वल टू 0. Followed third loop also?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Completed. So Kirchhoff's current law, Kirchhoff's voltage law with convention, explanation. I hope you have followed.
Done.
Okay. Note write down. No. It is based on law of conservation of energy. It is based on law of conservation of energy. Because EMF is energy. So based on law of conservation of energy. Written now?
Yes, sir.
Next, obtain condition for balanced Wheatstone's bridge. Wheatstone, साइंटिस्ट का नाम है, Wheatstone's bridge. Obtain condition for balanced Wheatstone's bridge network. Any actor is also there, Stone? Any Hollywood actor? कौन?
Sagar Rao.
हाँ. So Stone is surname actually. So obtain condition for balanced Wheatstone's bridge network. So I'm clearing this. Heading I'm clearing. Now what is Wheatstone's bridge network and what is condition for balanced, let us see. This shape is of what? Geometrical figure है क्या कुछ है? Yes. Pardon?
Trapezium.
नहीं, simple में quadrilateral है ना ये?
Yeah.
Quadrilateral, yes, quadrilateral. So Wheatstone's bridge network consists of 4 resistances: R1, R2, R3, R4 connected to form quadrilateral ABCD as shown in the figure. Wheatstone's bridge network consists of 4 resistances: R1, R2, R3, R4 connected to form quadrilateral ABCD as shown in the figure. Who will send the current through this? Who can send current? Battery, na? Hello, who will send current? Battery only, na?
Yes.
So battery of voltage V is connected across AC to send constant current I. What plug key will do? Start and stop the current. What is use of plug key? Start and stop the current.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So battery of EMF E, plug key K are connected across AC to send constant current I. A galvanometer of resistance G is connected across diagonal BD. Galvanometer will just record whether current is flowing or not. If no current flows through this, then it is called balanced. So for that no current flowing, we have to use concept and get what are R1, R2, R3, R4 का बीच में relation. ये meaning है. So when current consider Wheatstone's bridge network consists of 4 resistances R1, R2, R3, R4 connected to form quadrilateral ABCD as shown in the figure. Battery of voltage V, or we can say EMF E, battery of EMF E, plug EK are connected in series across wire AC to send constant current I. A galvanometer of resistance G is connected across BD. At point A, current I gets divided into two parts. I1 flowing through R1 and I2 flowing through R2. When I1 comes at B, दो रास्ते ना इसके पास.
Yes, sir.
So for balanced, इसमें से कुछ नहीं जाना चाहिए. Hence full current I1 will flow through R1 ना. मतलब I1 इधर से आया B के पास, it has got two paths. But for balance, nothing should enter through galvanometer. So same I1 will flow through R3. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And same way I2 comes here, it has again has two paths, this and this. But for balance, nothing should flow in galvanometer. So entire I2 will flow through R4 or not?
Yes, sir.
I1, I2 combined together becomes again I. Okay.
Yes,
sir.
So this is my circuit diagram. Please draw this much. Then we will obtain condition for R1, R2, R3 if no current is going through galvanometer.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now we'll write the first diagram ka bare mein, then condition how to get. So I'm just writing Wheatstone's bridge network. Wheatstone's bridge network consists of 4 resistances: R1, R2, R3, R4 connected to form quadrilateral A, B, C, D as shown in the figure. Wheatstone's bridge network consists of 4 resistances R1, R2, R3 connected to form quadrilateral ABCD as shown in the figure. A battery of EMF E, plug key K are connected in series across AC to send constant current I. A galvanometer of resistance G is connected across BD. Please copy this much again.
Done.
At point A, current I gets divided into 2 parts. First, I1 flowing through R1, and second, I2 flowing through R2. Since for balanced bridge, no current should flow. This is condition. No current should flow through galvanometer. अब ये condition achieve करने के लिए resistance का relation चाहिए. For balanced bridge, no current should flow through galvanometer. Hence, same current I1 flows through R3 and I2 flows through R4. This is diagram explanation. Let VA, VB, VC, VD be the potentials at points A, B, C, D respectively. चलो इधर तक करो कॉपी. चलो, can I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Was there should there be current in galvanometer for balance condition or not? Should current flow through galvanometer?
No, sir.
No. If no current is flowing, तो ये B और D का voltage क्या है? Same क्या different?
Same.
Same को हम लोग equipotential बोलते हैं ना? So I can say as no current flows through galvanometer. Balanced मतलब no current should flow through galvanometer. Hence, B and D are equipotential points. Therefore, voltage of B is same as voltage of D. Now, current is going from A to B in this circuit on the left hand side.
Yes,
A
sir.
to B. So A is greater than B, and here A is greater than D. Correct or not?
Sir.
So minus VB is minus VD. So VA minus VB is VA minus VD. I did this so that I get potential drop. If I write 2 is 2, that means I can say minus 2 is minus 2. And I will put 4 on both sides. Chalega na ye?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what is VA minus VB by Ohm's law? By Ohm's law, VA minus VB means potential drop across A and B. Is it same as I1 R1 by
Yes.
Ohm's law? So by Ohm's law, VA minus VB is I1 R1 and VA minus VD is I2 R2. Anybody who has not followed this? Any doubt?
No, sir.
So if VA minus VB is I1 R1 and VA minus VD is I2 R2, that means I1 R1 is I2 R2. I hope you followed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So therefore, I1 R1 is I2 R equation. Please copy this much.
Done, sir.
Okay. I1 R1 we got I2 R2. Now if I look on this right hand side wala part, again B and D are equipotential, but this time current is going from B to C and D to C. So B का voltage ज्यादा क्या C का ज्यादा? Tell me.
B.
B.
D. C का D नहीं, B और B तो same है. B and D are same. So VB minus VC, can I write VD minus VC? Minus VC दोनों side add किया. Again by Ohm's law, can you tell what is VB minus VC? Is it I1
I1
R3?
R3.
Yes. And what is VD minus VC?
I2 R4.
Very beautiful.
I2
I2 R4. Correct. That means I1 R3 equals to I2 R4. Dividing 1 by 2, we get I1 R1 upon I1 R3 is I2 R2 upon I2 R4. So I1 I2 cancel. R1 upon R2 is R3 by R4. So whenever this ratio will be matching, that means लेफ्ट का रेशियो राइट का रेशियो मैचिंग वो टाइम पे इधर से करंट नहीं फ्लो होएगा, उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? बैलेंस. ओके, हेलो.
Yes, sir.
So this is condition for balance Wheatstone's bridge network. Copy. This is condition for balanced Wheatstone's bridge network. This is condition for balanced Wheatstone's bridge network.
Done, sir.
Okay. So today we stop here. 3 topics we have done: Kirchhoff's current law, voltage law, and Wheatstone's bridge network.